Forging cybersecurity Secure Ninja.
Hey everyone, I'm Alicia Webb with SecureNinjaTV, and I am back again at FEDcyber in Tyson's Corner, right outside of DC. And I'm talking with Michael Lazar. He is the Senior Systems Engineer with Cloudera. How are you today?
Just great, thanks.
Excellent. So great to speak with you. We're glad to be at FEDcyber. Are you glad to be here?
Oh yeah, cyber is, a major issue for all of our federal customers. There's a whole congressional program funded called CDM to track down cyber issues across the civilian government.
It is, absolutely. Very important topics. Now, tell me about Cloudera.
So Cloudera is the leading provider of Hadoop, which is a big data solution. It is based on Apache open source technology. It's freely available, and it lets people scale to unbelievable data, large data sets, and do analytics on that data at high speed. The cool thing, I think, is the things that we're doing to make the world better, the things that Hadoop is doing to make the world better. Besides recommendations on Amazon, I recently was at Hadoop World and saw that we're helping in the medical field with people with ALS, doctors get more sensor feeds, get better understanding of this disease. At CHOA in Atlanta, Cloudera is on a project there. We're in the neonatal unit. They're getting much, much, much better outcomes for the infants at reduced costs too. So they're not only making infant outcomes, more people get out of the neonatal unit healthier, quicker, sooner, reducing costs at the same time. So it's just really amazing what you can do with big data nowadays.
Absolutely. Yeah, it sounds like it plays a role in a lot of different fields. Now, we did talk with Cloudera last year here at FEDcyber. What's new with Cloudera since then?
I think the biggest new thing has really been the Intel investment. So Intel bought a seat on our board of directors, invested $750 million with us, and that's given us the ability to expand into new markets with that capital. We went sooner into China and India than we thought. Working closely with Intel also has enabled us at the technology level to optimize our software to run on top of Intel's architecture. So our software guys are able to coordinate with Intel's hardware guys and exploit the hardware in ways that make our software run much faster. So customers get better performance at no additional cost. So it's been both good from us from a marketing point of view, good from us and our customers from a hardware software point of view. And as a result, we're growing by leaps and bounds. I understand we're adding about a person every single day to the company. Oh, wow. So we're doubling in size year over year.
Excellent. Now, where do you see big data and its technology going in the future?
I'm going to have to paraphrase from Mike Olson at Hadoop World. And Mike said Hadoop's going to vanish. And what he didn't mean go away. He means when you use Amazon, Hadoop's there, but you don't know it, right? Yeah. It's in more and more applications, Hadoop is going to become part of the infrastructure, and end users are going to be using applications that are powered by it and not know it. So it's going to vanish in the same way that databases vanished. Spark plugs in my car. I don't go, I wonder what the spark plugs in my car. If they even have spark plugs anymore. So Hadoop is really becoming embedded in all of the large companies in the world to do really mission critical analytic things. And Cloudera has been a major player. Over 65% of the Fortune 100 are our customers. Very prevalent in the federal government, helping solve all sorts of challenges, tons of which we can't talk about publicly. But we're helping, since it's going to be public, you can go look at our website and find out in more detail. But we're really helping government save money and reduce costs and get better outcomes.
Right. And what kind of exposure and who are you trying to maybe talk to and meet here at the FEDcyber show?
Well, because cyber is a big push for us, I'm hoping to reach people doing CDM at different spots, people doing network security analysis, people doing proactive stuff. One of the challenges in cyber is there's all the real-time detection. Great products out there to do all sorts of interesting technology, but people have a hard time doing the retrospective, back-end analytics to understand what has the enemy been doing, what over the last year, over the last 6 months, what slow-moving attacks are coming, so that we can program our front-end stuff to avoid this stuff in the future. It's better to stop it than say, boss, last month, people stole all this information from us. We lost credit card numbers. Well, for federal, it wouldn't be credit card numbers. It'd be social security numbers or other PII data through a new attack. You want to be able to see those coming in advance. So Hadoop provides that big data analytics so you can see what has been happening and avoid it happening again.
Right. Excellent. Now, you actually told me a remarkable story earlier. You said that you actually have jumped off of the Empire State Building. How are you still alive?
Because I did indeed jump off the Empire State Building. Everyone always assumes I jumped off the top of the Empire State Building. I walked up to the first step on the Empire State Building and jumped off that. So I did survive a jump off the Empire State Building, making me. I should have gotten that, in the Guinness Book of World Records.
I know, right? I'm going to nominate you.
Yeah, great. I appreciate that.
This guy's clever. Well, thank you, Mike, so much for speaking with us, and enjoy the show here at FEDcyber.
I will. Some really interesting speakers here.
Awesome. Thanks for watching SecureNinjaTV. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the other interviews we shot here at FEDcyber. We also travel all over the world and cover cybersecurity conferences, as well as provide a lot of other really great resources. Follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, and even check out our Instagram at SecureNinja. I'm Alicia Webb. Thanks for watching.
Secure Ninja TV is brought to you by SecureNinja.com, a world leader in cybersecurity training and certification. Our master instructors will help build you into a highly skilled and marketable security professional. Secure Ninja, forging cybersecurity experts.